Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price concluded with notable positivity breaching the important resistance of $22.40 level and settling above it. This action halted the correctional bearish with upward trendline breakout indicates short-term trend is bullish. Therefore, a bullish bias is expected for upside target of $2400 and $24.35 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at $23.05 level. MCX gold price had breached its important resistance of 71,900 level and close above it indicates short-term trend is bullish. However, any break above 72,850 level will surge the price further up till 73,350 and 74,000 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at 72,200 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.